Hey all, welcome back to Matt's World DIY. Today I have a really quick video because I went back to MacBid. I bidded on some items and I won a bunch of auctions, and I wanted to unbox these items for you just to show you what you can get if you participate in the MacBid process. So the first thing, I've already unboxed it. It was just in a wrapper, but I got this awesome Sherper throw, and it has like a Sherper backing, and it's got a really soft, cozy type of top side to it. It has a texture kind of like a rope knit corded thing or whatever. Super awesome. I'll put the prices in the description below so that you can see that, or I'll hopefully maybe even put just put a little lower third of what the prices were on these items, because I'm doing this really quickly and I don't even have notes. So let's get to the next item. So there's our Sherpa throw. It was huge, and I got a super awesome deal. I really think I maybe paid $1, had $1 bid. Okay. Next thing is I got this statue. I wanted a Buddha statue for my garden that I have out back. I have a rock garden with a fountain and all that kind of cool stuff. And this thing is supposed to be a solar statue that, charges up in the sunlight and then lights up during the night. And I didn't think it was so light or so small, but here we are. And I hope I don't have to have a bunch of styrofoam pieces everywhere, because it's going to trigger my OCD and cleaning and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, let's see what happens. So, and again, I haven't opened up any of these items yet. I don't know what anything is going to look like. You're seeing it for the first time with me. It's really small, but I think it's awesome. Look at this. It's perfectly fine. It's perfectly intact. There's really should be no problems with it. Taking it out of its plastic, look at this. Oh, and you see there's supposed to be lights that go down this sash type of thing on the Buddha. So really pretty cool. You have like an on-off switch here, and then there's the solar charger on this one side. I think this is going to be a nice little addition to my little rock garden I have with my plants and stuff outside. So that's super great. Oh, I got bath towels. Supposed to be just these Amazon Basics bath towels, but whenever things have been returned for whatever reason, you get such a huge discount on it. And look, it's like it's just been opened for the first time. There's some literature on it. Here are the towels. It does look like it had been opened before. These are 100% cotton towels. There's no blend of the fabric or anything. They should be super absorbent. I've got 2 of them. And again, I'll put the prices in the description or on the lower third. I'm like totally cool. Doesn't have an odd smell. So it should be good. This is a little bedding set. And I have a problem. I have an addiction to bedding and rugs and things like towels and that sort of thing. So I really need to stay away from this. But let's see what I got here. I don't even remember. But oh yes. Okay. So this is a twin size quilt. And it's really pretty lightweight. It's a good summertime quilt. And it kind of goes along with this whole Sherpa thing. This is a great winter item, but this would be a great summer item. It's very lightweight, and I think it's a twin size. So this would be perfect for just like throwing on the back of the couch, of the sofa, or having at the foot of a bed for the guest room, that type of deal. And it has this interesting cross stitching that I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but it's really lightweight. It looks great. I don't notice anything wrong with it, like any kind of staining or any kind of fraying or any sort. So I am very happy, very pleased with my purchase. And it comes with one pillow sham. So that's super fun. I don't know what I'll do with that. But anyway, so that's super cool too. This next item is a planter pot that it's one of the higher priced items of what I had bid on, because I'll tell you in a minute why. But I really wanted it because it's a nice, kind of a mid-century modern style planter. It's very just, straight edge round, but we'll see what we have. I was very concerned that perhaps it might be broken, but when I picked up the package, I shook it and I was like, I don't hear any parts breaking. So crossing our fingers, let's see what we have. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Wow. This is perfection. Look at this. It's supposed to be like a 12-inch or whatever. It does have a drain hole, boop, 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 but it comes with a screen and a plug that you can put into the drain hole, and it's totally intact, not chipped or anything. And hopefully I will show you the next item the next item I'm going to show you is what's going to go inside of this. So let's put this back into the box. Very well packed. Not a problem at all. I don't know why someone would return that. Number one, why would you order it if you don't want it when you receive it? I don't know. But it's their loss, my gain. I'm totally happy with it. So that's that. Now, let's actually do, this is our second to last item, and this is the item that I plan on putting in that pot. Where's my cutter? Woo. Okay. The box looks a little bit worn out, kind of manhandled, but this is the 6-foot olive tree that I'm going to put the base of it into that pot. And of course you have to assemble it and then fluff it up, fluff it out. It's going to look great. Again, I don't know why people have returned items. They either decided, well, I spent too much money, or I don't really need it, or whatever the reason might be. I got this, I believe, I won this at $4 or $5, a $4 or $5 bid on the MacBid. I'll put the actual number below, but I want to show you what the texture of the leaves look like. And it actually has olive fruits on it as well. But check that out. See? Look. This looks perfectly fine. When I fluff it up and fluff it out, it's going to be great, and it's going to look super amazing in that white pot. I plan on putting that in one of the corners of my bedroom. I really want to have, it's kind of bare and needs some sort of something in it, so that's what I'm going to do. I love it. The last item is a topper for a queen size bed. It's a bamboo mattress topper for a queen size bed. I got a really, really good deal on it, and when you're bidding on things like technology, things like computers, or even breakable things like a mirror, I think you're taking a risk. Whenever you're bidding on things like a linen thing, like a throw or sheets or a topper like this, I think there's less of a chance that there's going to actually be something wrong. But let's see what we've got here in this box. I'm really excited to be able to put this into my guest room, and let's take a look. Looks great. Bamboo. And it has a, the top of it has, I don't know how you would describe it, but it's not a, like a memory foam kind of thing or whatever. It does feel almost like a fiber filled, but it has these little straps that you strap to the corners of your mattress that will hold the topper in place. I think this is a good deal for what I won the bid at, and I hope you enjoyed seeing me unbox these items. If you have any questions, please feel free to put those in the description below. I will get to as many as I possibly can. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of the other videos I have on my DIY playlist, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.